Hi to all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's SolidWorks tutorial, I will be discussing about how to make SolidWorks. You can stop and rewind the videos to understand fully. Please continue watching until the end of the video so you can easily learn SolidWorks, and I appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. File, the new, and then a new SolidWorks document opens with a template with parts to be picked up. It's okay. And then open sketches open, and then let's choose the top plane, and then change the units from millimeter to inch and click OK. Let's go to sketch to the top plane, and then choose the center line, and then dimension it at 3.5. That's 3.5. The 0.5 in inch, and then regenerate the model with the current value, and then save the current value and exit the dialog box, and then put another circle that is put as 3 inch, and regenerate, and then save the current value. Let's go to picture, extrude boss. Let's put it as a mid plane. Let's place it as 3 inch. 3 inch, as it shows 3 inch on the preview. You see the yellow shadows that it will show the preview of extrude boss. Now let's go on to the top of the of one of the edges or the base, and then normal to, and sketch. Let's do some sketch. It is, let's do the polygon that is 6 inscribed or 6 inscribed, doesn't matter. Just do some circle, go to the circle, and then let's do some get out of there, escape, and then let's put this one as horizontal. See that when I click the side of one of the polygon, it, and then press the horizontal, it will go horizontal. Then click OK, and put a dimension from here to here. Let's say 4, and regenerate, and save the current value and exit on the dialog box. Now let's escape the smart dimension, click the inside part to convert to entities, and then picture properties, and then extrude. Let's say the value is only 0.5 in inch. Okay, and it's supposed to be merged result, that it will merge to the other solid. Now you see that it makes a nice solid, and then I want this one to be jumper. Let's do the jumper. That's 0.25 is good. Click OK. And then insert a thread from picture to thread. Press this one on the edge, and then go to revolution. So let's do something like 25 or more, maybe 30. Now it shows maybe 31. Shows 31. Now it shows now the whole area to be threaded. Let's rebuild and then save to your folder. That is 181, and save. And let's do another, this one, to make a thread also inside part. Let's do it an extrude thread. It is more than that, so that's 35 or more. 42. Let's see, maybe 41. Let's wait a bit. It's running it. So that's the way it is. So it shows that there is now threaded inside and outside. It is an MPT reducer, or yeah, it's a reducer plug. Let's put some color. That is, let's go to advanced, and then painted or plastic. Let's go on plastic. Clear composite high gloss. ABS. I assume that is the nice color that I see. And now go to the photo view and the final render. I found out that some of you are not subscribed yet. Please subscribe now so you can gain more knowledge about SolidWorks. And I appreciate your kind support to my YouTube channel. Please comment on how my tutorial gives you enough information on how to use SolidWorks. If my tutorial is okay for you, or some changes that I can improve, make videos more easy and fun to learn. SolidWorks for you.